Hey kids, welcome back to music class. So far, we've learned about melody and rhythm. We've learned that melody is the tune made of pitches. We've learned the musical alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. We've also learned that harmonies can be major, which sound happy, or minor, which is sad. And we learned about rhythm and how rhythm is a pattern. Sometimes we call that a beat, and rhythms are made of note values. It's really easy to understand note values when we compare them to slices of pizza. For example, pi is the quarter note, and that's just one. But if we slice pi in half, we get 2 slices of pizza. Just like if we slice a quarter note in half, we get 2 eighth notes that are a little bit faster. And if we slice it in 4s, we get pepperoni. Just like if we slice the beat into 4s, we get 4 16th notes. And if there's an empty spot in our oven, well, that's also going to be an empty spot in the music where we don't play, and that's called a rest. So how about we put it all together and compose some music of our own? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a rhythm using our little pizza oven. And remember, we can fit 4 pizzas in an oven. So let's go ahead and start. Pick out pie, pizza, pepperoni, or rest. Pizza, that sounds great. So pizza sliced in half. So I want to put that right there, pizza, okay? How about the next one? A rest, sure. We'll just put a little X right there, or someone ate one of my pizzas. Next, what should we do? Pepperoni, alrighty. So that's gonna have 4 slices. And for the last one, let's end with pie. That's a good ending one. So that's going to be pie. So we've got pizza, rest, pepperoni, pie. So if we play that rhythm, grab my drumsticks here, it's going to sound like this. Pizza, rest, pepperoni, pie. I'll count you off, and let's do that all together. 1, 2, ready, go. Pizza, pepperoni pie. Let's do it one more time to make sure we got it. 1, 2, ready, go. Pizza, rest, pepperoni pie. Yeah, so we've got a rhythm. Let's convert those pizzas into notes. Okay, so if we remember the 2 slices of pizza, we're going to convert those into 2 eighth notes. So that looks just like this. We draw our 2 note heads, put on the stem, and then a beam across the top. Pizza, okay? The next one is the rest, because there's a blank spot in the oven. Remember, to draw the rest, we draw a Z on top of a C. Looks just like that. So now we've got pizza, rest, and there's a silence. The next one is pepperoni, so that's going to be 4 slices, so we're going to have 4 16th notes. So we'll draw 4 note heads just like this. We'll put on our 4 stems and 2 beams across the top. That tells us that they're a little bit faster than the 8th notes. They only have 1 beam. So now we've got pepperoni. And the last one is pie, so that's going to be 1 quarter note. And I'll draw that right here. So that looks like that. So if we play that again, looking at the notes, it sounds like this. Pizza, pepperoni pie. So I'll count you off. Let's do that together. 1, 2, ready, go. Pizza, pepperoni pie. Yeah. Let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. Pizza, pepperoni pie. Yeah. So now we've got a rhythm, but there's no melody. So let's add some pitches to each one of these notes, and then we'll find it on the staff. So go ahead and pick out a pitch from the musical alphabet. Remember, that can be A, B, C, D, E, F, or G. What should we start with? A C, okay? We'll start with C. I'll put that right there. What should the next one be? How about a D? Okay, we'll do D. Okay, what should the next one be? How about an F? F right there. Okay, let's keep going. How about the next note? An A. Okay. And let's keep going. How about a pitch for the next note? C? Sure. Okay. And how about the next one? What should we put there? How about a B? Yeah. And let's end on a C again. We'll do one more C right there. So we've got C, D, F, A, C, B, and then a C. So those are our pitches. Now we've got to find the pitches on the staff. Okay? So if you remember, our line notes are E, G, B, D, F, and we remember that by saying every good boy does fine. And our space notes are F, A, C, E. Of course, that spells face. So how about this first one, C? Well, we look over here, that's the third space note. So I'm going to go down here, F, A, C. I'm going to put a C right here, just like that, okay? And then I'll go ahead and put on the stem. How about the next note? It's a D. Is it on the space? No, I don't see it. How about over here? Every good boy does. It's the fourth line up. So I'm going to put a pitch right there. Now I'm going to put the stem on and connect them. See, it kind of goes at an angle. And that tells us that the pitch goes up. C, D, it's going up. Okay? How about the next one? We don't play on that beat, so I'm just going to put a rest right in the middle. All right. So we're going to rest on the second beat. Okay, now let's do these 16th notes. We have F, A, C, and B. First of all, let's just draw the note heads and the stems, and then we'll connect them when we're done. F, well, I've got an F down here and an F up here. I'm just going to use the one down here. So we'll put an F right there in the bottom space. The next one is A, so it's the second space up. Put that stem on. And then we have a C. That's the third space. Okay, I'll put that right there. And then the next one's a B. There's no B here, so it's got to be on a line. It's the third line up. Every good boy. So I want to put a B right here. And then I'll put on the stem. Now it's time to connect these. So what I'll do is I'll just draw a beam up like that, and then another one right below it. So you can see these pitches go up for the most part, and then down on that last one. F, A, C, B. And the last one is a C. And that's the third space up. So I'm going to count F, A, C, and I'm going to put a pitch right there on that third space. So now we have composed our own melody. C, D, rest. Then F, A, C, B, and back to C again. So let's go ahead and have a listen to what that sounds like. I'm going to play it on the piano for you. So let's see what your composition sounds like on the piano. We had C, D, rest, F, A, C, B, C. So if we add some harmony to that, this is what it sounds like. Have a listen. And that's beautiful, and you created it. Now you're composers. Great job. See you next time.